If you're a coach and your premium coaching offer feels strong but you're afraid to add scarcity because it might sound desperate, this is the mistake. Most coaches try to manufacture urgency. High-value positioning requires reinforcing standards instead. Here's what I mean. Scarcity works extremely well in marketing, but when it's used incorrectly, it immediately lowers perceived positioning. You've probably seen examples where someone says only 2 spots left, or doors closing tonight, or the price is going up tomorrow. That kind of urgency can work in certain markets, but for a premium coaching offer, it often feels forced. Serious clients respond to structure, not pressure. If scarcity feels artificial, clients sense it immediately, and when that happens, trust decreases instead of increasing. The purpose of scarcity in a premium coaching offer is not to push people into a fast decision. It's to communicate intentional capacity. For example, if you work closely with clients, there is naturally a limit to how many people you can support effectively. That limit is real, and communicating it clearly actually strengthens positioning. Instead of saying, "Hurry, only 2 spots left," you might say this program is designed for a limited number of serious clients so the work stays focused and strategic. Notice the difference. One creates panic, the other signals standards. Scarcity should feel like a design decision, not a sales tactic. Another mistake coaches make is tying scarcity only to time. When everything is about countdowns or deadlines, it creates the feeling that the offer is constantly closing and reopening. That pattern reduces credibility. High-value positioning focuses on structure instead. Capacity, client level, and program design all create natural boundaries. When scarcity reflects structure, serious clients respect it. It communicates that the work is intentional and that participation matters. Here's something practical you can apply immediately. Look at your current offer page and remove any urgency language that sounds like persuasion. Replace it with language that explains the structure of the program, how many clients you work with, why the environment is intentionally limited, what standard participants are expected to bring. Scarcity should clarify alignment, not force a decision. When it's done correctly, scarcity actually strengthens trust because it signals that your coaching brand values quality over volume. If you want deeper support refining your premium coaching offer and strengthening your positioning, we offer private one-to-one business coaching intensives where we work directly on messaging, offer structure, and authority alignment. If you're building or refining a scalable premium program, our signature program walks you through creating a high-value offer designed to attract serious clients with clarity and confidence. And if your brand presence doesn't yet reflect the level of clients you want to attract, explore our luxury Showit template shop for entrepreneurs. We also offer white glove website customization, which includes a full luxury template from our collection, customized to elevate your digital positioning. Scarcity should never feel like pressure. When it reflects structure, it reinforces value.